Animals.
ANIMALS. Animals. Animals means प्राणी.
Grow.
Grow means वाढणे.
A lot of.
ALOT a lot of means पुष्कळ.
Between.
BETWEEN between means
चहामध्ये. Living thing.
LIVING living thing. Living thing means living.
Non-living thing.
NONLIVING non-living. Non-living thing. Non-living thing means nature.
Bird.
BOD bird means curry.
Petals.
PATLS petals means पाकळ्या.
To and fro.
To and fro. To and fro means पुढे आणि मागे.
Feed.
FIND find.
Feed.
FEED feed means खाणे.
Silk.
SLIK silk.
Silk म्हणजे रेशीम. Fox.
Fox means कोल्हा.
Clay.
clay means
माती. Fly.
fly means उडणे.
Stay.
STAY
Stay म्हणजे थांबणे. Web.
WEB web means जाळे.
Thin. Thin.
Thin means बारीक.
Hop.
hop means उडी मारणे.
Swim.
swim means पोहणे.
Eagle.
EAGLE eagle means गरुड.
Kite.
Kite means घार.
Sparrow.
SPARROW sparrow means चिमणी.
Bat.
BAT means वटवाघूळ.
Parrot.
PARROT parrot means पोपट.
Butterfly.
BATTER
FEL.
butterfly means फुलपाखरू.
Spider.
SPARD.
Wrong. SPIDER.
Spider means कोळी.
Decay.
decay means कुंजणे, नष्ट होणे.
Soil.
SOIL soil means जमीन.
Rot. Rot.
ROT means कुंजणे.
Human.
HUMAN means
Human बरोबर स्पेलिंग. ह्युमन म्हणजे काय?
माणूस.
सॉफ्ट झाली का? सॉफ्टची स्पेलिंग झाली.